Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add money to your SKRILL account. First, search SKRILL on your browser and open it. Click on the sign up now. To register yourself on SKRILL, add your required details in the form. Click on the register button and you have to verify your email address. It will send a verification email. Go to your Gmail and open the email from SKRILL. If you already have an account, you can log into your account by adding your credentials. Click on the login button to log in. Select the option to pay online or send money. If you want to pay online, select it and click on Get Started. Enter the required details on the given form to complete registration. After adding all the details correctly, click on the next button. You will need to enter the verification code which has been sent to your number. If you didn't receive the code, click on the Send Code to Email option. Click on Continue and create a PIN that you need to enter when you need to send money. Enter the PIN and click on the Save button. You can now add money to your SKRILL account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.